A Madison apartment was evacuated yesterday afternoon for carbon monoxide. Madison Fire responded around 1:30 to North Francis Street. A restoration company was cleaning up water from a leak on the 7th floor of the building. They had equipment in the parking garage and outside of the building. The gas engines in the vans that powered their equipment caused high carbon monoxide levels. Thankfully, no one was hurt, and residents were back in the building by around 3 p.m.